So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The mid-size SUV segment in India is one of the highest competitive markets today. Buyers want a car that offers style, comfort, features, reliability and most importantly, low running costs. And this is exactly where Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara comes in. With strong hybrid technology, excellent fuel efficiency, premium features and Maruti's trusted ownership experience, the Grand Vitara has become one of the most popular SUV in its segment. But is it still right choice in 2026? Let's find out. Exterior design. Starting with the design, the Grand Vitara has a mature premium SUV appearance. At the front, it gets bold grille, LED DRLs, and LED projector headlamps on higher variants. The side profile gets muscular wheel arches, alloy wheels, and black body cladding, giving it a proper SUV look. At the rear, the LED tail lamps and clean design makes it look premium and modern. The Grand Vitara doesn't allow an overly aggressive design approach. Instead, it focuses on balanced and timeless look that should age well. Interior and features. Step inside and Grand Vitara offers a practical and premium looking cabin. Dashboard layout is modern and the controls are easy to use. Higher variants come with features like panoramic sunroof, ventilated front seats, heads-up display, 360-degree camera, wireless charger, connected car technology, automatic climate control, and premium audio system. The cabin is designed more for comfort and practicality rather than luxury. Space and comfort. The front seats offer good comfort and support for long drives. The rear seat is spacious, enough for two adults to travel comfortably, while three passengers may feel slightly tight on longer journeys. The suspension setup is tuned for Indian roads and absorbs bumps well. For families, the Grand Vitara works well as a daily SUV and highway cruiser. Engine and performance. The Grand Vitara comes with multiple powertrains. The 1.5-liter mild hybrid engine is focused on smooth performance and low maintenance. For buyers who want maximum fuel efficiency, there is a strong hybrid version that combines petrol engine with an electric motor. The strong hybrid system can deliver up to around 27.97 km per liter under official testing conditions, making it one of the most fuel efficient SUVs in India. A CNG option is also available for buyers who prioritize running costs. The Grand Vitara is not designed as a performance SUV, instead it focuses on comfort, refinement and efficiency. Driving experience. In the city, the Grand Vitara feels easy to drive because of its light steering and good visibility. On highways, it remains stable and comfortable during long distance journeys. The suspension handles rough roads confidently, making it suitable for Indian driving conditions. For enthusiasts looking for powerful turbo performance, some rivals may feel more exciting, but for everyday driving, the Grand Vitara does the job very well. Safety. Safety features include 6 airbags, electronic stability program, ABS with EBD, hill hold assist, ISOFIX child seat mounts, rear parking sensors, 360-degree camera on higher variants, and tire pressure monitoring system. However, it does not offer advanced driver assistance systems like ADAS. Ownership experience. One of the biggest advantages of Grand Vitara is ownership. Maruti Suzuki has one of the largest service networks in India. Maintenance costs are affordable, spare parts availability is excellent, and resale value is expected to stay strong. For buyers planning long-term ownership, this is a major advantage. Pros and cons. Pros of Grand Vitara are excellent fuel efficiency. The strong hybrid version offers outstanding mileage, making it one of the most economical SUVs for daily use. Comfortable ride quality. Its suspension handles Indian roads well and provides a comfortable experience for passengers. Feature-rich cabin. It comes with premium features like panoramic sunroof, ventilated seats, 360-degree camera and connected car technology. Reliability of ownership. Maruti Suzuki's wide service network, affordable maintenance and easy spare part availability makes ownership stress-free. Strong resale value. Maruti cars usually have good resale demand which benefits long-term ownership. Cons of Grand Vitara are average performance. The engine is smooth and efficient, but not the most powerful compared to turbo petrol rivals. Interior quality could be better. The cabin is practical, but some materials feel less premium than competitors. Smaller boot in hybrid variants. The strong hybrid version offers less luggage space due to bed replacement. No ADAS features. It misses advanced safety technologies like adaptive cruise control and lane assist. It's not a driver's car. It focuses on comfort and mileage rather than sporty driving. Final verdict. The Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara is not trying to be the fastest or sportiest SUV. Instead, it focuses on what most Indian buyers actually need: reliability, comfort, efficiency, features, and low running costs. If you want practical family SUV with excellent mileage and hassle-free ownership, the Grand Vitara remains one of the smartest choice in 2026. But if your priority is aggressive performance, some turbo petrol rivals may suit you better. So, would you choose Grand Vitara over Kia Seltos or Toyota Hyryder? Let me know in comments. So guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.